adventure in Curaçao, part of the ABC Islands, including Aruba and Bonaire. Curaçao is a Dutch Caribbean island known for its beaches tucked into coves, its expansive coral reefs rich with marine life, its rocky, rugged terrain, and good vibes all around. Here we are at Piscadera. There's the wall we're gonna climb. Say hello to Sayane. Sayane? Hola! These cactuses, or cacti, somehow growing off the wall, which is always fascinating. Here's the rope, and down to Sayane, who's my guide from Cuba. Her name is Sayane, is Arabic, and it means warrior princess. Wow. Oh my gosh. Really difficult route. There's my belly button. We are going down. Downtown. Snorkeling in Aruba. Good thing we did 2 separate flights with a lot of time in between.